So Conflated, very fractious in there. And they're off. Decent start for Ella Reeb, and so too J-Boy's Echo from the inside. True Timber showing some speed too, and Cloud Computing on the far outside is up close as well as they race for the clubhouse turn. Ella Reeb running well off the rails, joined on the outside by True Timber, and they head into the opening turn together. Cloud Computing settles in behind, racing along in third. J-Boy's Echo comes away in fourth. Action Every Day wide of the track while fifth. So Conflated, second to last early. Gaetano's the last of them all. So it is Ella Reeb who now takes a clear lead onto the backstretch run. True Timber, though, keeps the pressure up, pushed along to keep up with Ella Reeb through the opening half mile. Good trip so far for Cloud Computing, just in behind racing third. The opening quarter very solid, 23-2. 6 more lengths back to J-Boy's Echo, racing fourth and 8 lengths off the lead. 5 more from there to Action Every Day, followed by So Conflated. And at the back is Gaetano in a very strung out field. Ella Reeb with a half mile to go, still maintaining a narrow lead to True Timber second. Cloud Computing set to strike in behind while third. Meanwhile, J-Boy's Echo is winding up from fourth, getting closer with every stride as that one. As they round the far turn, Ella Reeb is still the leader. True Timber is still second. Cloud Computing rallies up on the outside from third and now second. J-Boy's Echo's coming with a 4-wide blitz on the far outside. At the top of the stretch, Ella Reeb with plenty of company turning for home. And just like that off the turn, J-Boy's Echo has taken charge. Cloud Computing fights on. Ella Reeb checked toward the inside and is giving it up late. Racing for the 8th pole, J-Boy's Echo has gone clear now by 2, now by 3. Cloud Computing angles outside for a final try, but J-Boy's Echo is gone in the Gotham. J-Boy's Echo from off the pace wins it by 3. Solid effort from Cloud Computing to be second by another 5. Ella Reeb managed third. Action Every Day was fourth.
They were moving up front. That was a very fast pace, and I know Ella Reeb disappointed some people, but the pace took an extreme toll.